Welcome to a new era of estate planning. Imagine this: your digital world, photos capturing cherished memories, your investments, social media, online accounts, and even cryptocurrencies, being seamlessly cared for and passed on to your loved ones. In today's world, your legacy isn't just about physical possessions. It's about preserving the stories, connections, and value in your digital assets. In this first episode of Estate Planning for Digital Assets, we're diving into the heart of what makes your digital life so valuable and why it's essential to include these assets in your estate plan. Together, we'll uncover what digital assets truly are, explore the immense opportunities they hold, and discuss the challenges that come with managing them. You've worked hard to build your digital presence. Don't let it fade into the digital void. Let's ensure your legacy is secure, meaningful, and complete. This journey is about more than planning. It's about protecting your future and the memories that mean the most. Let's get started. Introduction to digital assets. Definition of digital assets. Digital assets refer to any form of information or content that exists in digital form and has value to the owner. These assets can encompass a wide range of items, including but not limited to 1. Financial accounts. This category includes online banking and investment accounts, cryptocurrencies, PayPal accounts, and any other digital financial assets. 2. Social media accounts. Social media profiles and accounts on platforms like Face Video Series, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and others fall under this category. These accounts may hold sentimental value or may be used for business purposes. 3. Digital media, music, movies, e-video series, and other digital content that is purchased and stored online or on devices like computers, smartphones, or e-readers. 4. Email accounts. Email accounts often contain valuable information, personal correspondence, and important documents that need to be accessed or managed after the owner's passing. 5. Websites and blogs. If the deceased owned a website or blog, these digital assets may need to be managed or transferred to someone else. 6. Online shopping accounts. Accounts on e-commerce platforms like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy may contain valuable purchases, payment information, and shipping addresses. 7. Digital photos and videos. With the rise of digital photography, many people store their memories in the form of digital photos and videos on devices or cloud storage platforms. 8. Domain names and intellectual property. If the deceased owned domain names, trademarks, patents, or copyrights, these assets need to be accounted for in the estate planning process. It is crucial for individuals to identify and document their digital assets to ensure that they are properly managed and transferred to beneficiaries after their passing. Failure to address digital assets in an estate plan can lead to complications, loss of valuable information, or even financial losses. As technology continues to advance, the importance of including digital assets in estate planning becomes increasingly vital to ensure a smooth transition of assets and information to the next generation. Importance of including digital assets in estate planning. In the modern digital age, it is becoming increasingly important to consider and plan for the management and distribution of digital assets as part of an individual's overall estate plan. Digital assets encompass a wide range of online accounts, files, cryptocurrencies, social media profiles, and other virtual properties that hold both sentimental and monetary value. Here are some key reasons highlighting the importance of including digital assets in estate planning. 1. Preservation of digital legacy. Many individuals have extensive digital footprints that include personal photographs, videos, emails, and social media accounts that hold sentimental value to their loved ones. By including these digital assets in their estate plan, individuals can ensure that their digital legacy is preserved and passed on to future generations. 2. Protection of financial assets. In today's digital world, it is common for individuals to have online banking accounts, investment portfolios, and cryptocurrencies that hold significant financial value. Without appropriate estate planning, these assets may be inaccessible or lost upon the individual's passing, leading to financial complications for their heirs. 3. Privacy and security concerns. Failing to address digital assets in an estate plan can expose sensitive information to potential privacy breaches or unauthorized access. By outlining clear instructions on how to access and manage digital accounts, individuals can protect their online identity and prevent data breaches after their death. 4. Legal and regulatory compliance. Various laws and regulations govern the access and transfer of digital assets upon an individual's death. By incorporating provisions for digital assets in their estate plan, individuals can ensure compliance with relevant legal requirements and avoid potential conflicts or disputes among their beneficiaries. 5. Ease of administration. Including digital assets in estate planning can streamline the administration process for executors and beneficiaries. Clearly documenting the location and access credentials for digital accounts can facilitate the efficient transfer of assets and prevent delays or complications in settling the estate. 6. Avoiding loss of assets. Without proper planning, digital assets may go undiscovered or overlooked, leading to the loss of valuable accounts or data. By proactively identifying and documenting digital assets in an estate plan, individuals can prevent the inadvertent loss of assets and ensure that their wishes are carried out effectively. The importance of including digital assets in estate planning cannot be overstated in today's technologically driven world. By recognizing the value and significance of digital assets and taking proactive steps to address them in their estate plan, individuals can protect their legacy, financial interests, and privacy while facilitating a smoother transition of assets to their heirs. It is advisable for individuals to seek guidance from legal and financial professionals to develop a comprehensive estate plan that encompasses both physical and digital assets effectively. Common types of digital assets: social media accounts, online banking, cryptocurrencies, etc. Digital assets have become an increasingly important part of our lives, and it is crucial to include them in estate planning to ensure they are properly managed and transferred in the event of incapacity or death. Here are some common types of digital assets that individuals should consider when creating their estate plan. Social media accounts. Social media accounts such as Face video series, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and others contain a wealth of personal information and memories. It is important to consider how these accounts will be managed or closed after death to protect your digital legacy. 2. Online banking and investment accounts. With the rise of online banking and investment platforms, many individuals have significant financial assets tied to these accounts. Proper planning is necessary to ensure that loved ones are able to access these accounts and manage finances effectively. 3. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others have gained popularity as a digital form of investment. These assets are decentralized and require special considerations for estate planning to ensure that they are not lost or inaccessible after death. 4. Digital photo and video libraries. Many individuals store a large collection of digital photos and videos on their devices or in cloud storage. These assets hold sentimental value and should be included in estate planning to ensure they are preserved and passed on to future generations. 5. Email and communication accounts. Email accounts and messaging platforms contain important communications and contacts that may need to be accessed by loved ones after death. Proper planning is necessary to ensure that these accounts are managed according to your wishes. 6. Digital music and e-video series collections. With the shift towards digital media consumption, many individuals have extensive collections of music, e-video series, and other digital content. Consideration should be given to how these assets will be managed and transferred after death. 7. Domain names and websites. Individuals who own domain names or operate websites for personal or business purposes should include these assets in their estate planning. Proper arrangements should be made to ensure the continuity or transfer of these digital properties. By including these common types of digital assets in your estate planning, you can ensure that your digital legacy is protected and managed according to your wishes. It is advisable to work with legal and financial professionals to create a comprehensive plan that addresses all aspects of your digital estate. Challenges in managing digital assets after death. As technology continues to advance, more and more individuals are accumulating digital assets such as online accounts, social media profiles, digital currency, and cloud storage. However, when it comes to estate planning, these digital assets can present unique challenges for individuals and their loved ones after death. Here are some of the key challenges in managing digital assets after death. Identifying and locating digital assets. One of the primary challenges is identifying and locating all of the decedent's digital assets. Unlike physical assets that may be easily identified, digital assets are often scattered across various online platforms and devices, making it difficult for loved ones to gain a comprehensive understanding of what assets exist and where they are located. 2. Securing access to digital assets. Another challenge is gaining access to the decedent's digital assets. Many online platforms have strict privacy policies and terms of service that may prevent family members from accessing or managing the decedent's accounts without proper authorization. Without the necessary login credentials or legal documentation, loved ones may struggle to access important digital assets such as financial accounts or sentimental photos and messages. 3. Understanding ownership and rights. The ownership and rights associated with digital assets can be complex and vary depending on the platform and jurisdiction. For example, some digital assets may be considered personal property that can be transferred to heirs, while others may be subject to licensing agreements or terms of service that restrict how they can be accessed or transferred after death. Without a clear understanding of ownership rights, loved ones may face legal obstacles in managing and distributing digital assets. 4. Protecting digital assets from unauthorized access. In the digital age, there is a growing risk of unauthorized access to digital assets after death. Hackers, identity thieves, and even unscrupulous family members may attempt to gain access to the decedent's online accounts and sensitive information. Without proper safeguards in place, digital assets may be vulnerable to exploitation or loss, putting the decedent's digital legacy at risk. 5. Ensuring compliance with privacy laws. Managing digital assets after death also raises important legal and ethical considerations related to privacy laws. Some jurisdictions have specific laws governing the access and management of digital assets after death, requiring individuals to take proactive steps to protect their digital legacy and ensure compliance with applicable regulations. Failure to comply with privacy laws could lead to legal disputes and potential liabilities for loved ones. Managing digital assets after death poses a number of challenges that individuals and their families should proactively address in their estate planning. By taking steps to identify, secure, and legally protect digital assets, individuals can help ensure that their digital legacy is preserved and passed on to their loved ones in a secure and responsible manner. As we step back and reflect on the vast landscape of our digital lives, one thing becomes crystal clear. Our digital assets are not just files, accounts, or investments. They are the essence of how we live, connect, and express ourselves in the modern world. They tell our stories, hold our wealth, and preserve the moments that define us. Planning for your digital legacy isn't just a practical step, it's an act of love. It's a way to protect your memories, secure your hard-earned investments, and leave behind clarity for those you cherish most. Without a plan, these valuable parts of your life risk being lost, locked away, or forgotten. But here's the good news. You have the power to take control, to protect your legacy, and to create a roadmap that ensures your digital world is cared for, shared, and passed on. Your digital presence is a bridge between your past and your future, a way to preserve what matters most. So take the first step today. Plan not just for the assets you can touch, but for the ones that touch your heart and shape your identity. The future of estate planning is digital, and the future starts now. Let's embrace it together.